Yeah, so today we're gonna be doing a repair on this shingle right here. Like I said, we got that crease on it, right? Now if you look at these shingles right here, no damage, no creasing, no tears, no nothing like that. These are all unsealed. So without any further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into this. Right? It's very hot, so these shingles are coming unsealed pretty easily. And they're old too, but the heat's definitely helping out with that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick these up. Try to get these nails out. Key is we don't want to lift them up too high. A little bit of a nail pull through, but all in all, it should be pretty smooth. Right. Now I do see a spot where we have some damage, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in there first before we put anything on. Oh, it's so crazy how hot these shingles get so quick.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So Cam, if you want to, can you come show them this? So when trying to unseal that shingle, you can see, can they see that tear right there?
Yeah.
You see we have a tear right there. So that's already starting. I'm starting to see a little bit of creasing, like right here in this corner. I'm not sure if y'all can see any of that, but you can see some granule loss, a little bit of creasing starting. A little bit going on right here in this corner as well. Not gonna do anything with those yet. We're gonna see the whole repair through and through, and then we can piece some good. That sun ain't playing, man.
It's hot for real today. There was a crack there.
Oh wow, yeah, you can see that. That whole thing just fell off. Good eye, man. All right, so if you look at this, now I can clearly see that there's some creasing going on this shingle right here. Can they see that? I don't want to.
Yeah, right here.
I don't want to mess with it too much. I don't want y'all to think I'm manufacturing anything, but we definitely got some creasing right there. We got some more creasing going on right here. See if I can. Right right there. You see the area right there on that shingle right there that was. Yep, and you can see right here in this corner as well. I don't know if I can see that too well. Right, we got this corner. It's actually, a piece fell off. We got that tear that happened right here. All right, we'll get a good picture of that. We'll just caught right there. All right, we got that tear right there. Not too much creasing going on these ones. I can definitely see some. So if you, it's hard to tell, but you can see a crease starting to happen
I can see
right
it on
there in the middle.
Yeah, I can see it on the camera there.
And you can see if you look close, it's actually torn through. I'm not gonna mess with too much, but if you can see it on camera, that's great. Right, we got some creasing going on right there, some tears right there. All in all, this is definitely not a repairable roof. This is gonna look worse as time goes on. Like, this crease right here is gonna become a little bit more prominent. That's gonna become more prominent. Same there. I mean, you see we got pieces tearing off. We got a whole rip right there. I hope you see that we use proper tools, proper techniques. We show the willingness to pass it. Yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great day.